Good afternoon, this is Schweitzer. We're doing a lab here on calculation, determination of an unknown concentration. In this case, I'm looking for an unknown base. The base itself is NaOH, but I'm looking for the concentration of it. My known is a 0.15 molar hydrochloric acid solution, HCl. The amount of base that I'm using is 15 milliliters. My starting point of my titration is 1.5. So my titration burette sits at 1.5. Finally, let's go ahead and titrate this thing. We'll need a couple of drops of phenolphthalein, and because there's a base in the bottom, obviously it turns pink, and we will be titrating until we turn clear. Alright, and that process is underway. And clear. Very nice. My ending volume is 6.9 milliliters. 6.9 milliliters. 6.9 milliliters. And the rest is on you. Good luck. Thank you very much.